Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump, unsurprisingly, have a lot of differences when it comes to all kinds of issues. And when it comes to how we deal with environmental issues such as climate change, they almost couldn't be further apart. A poll by Pew Research found that 38% of registered voters care a great deal about climate change, including 56% of Clinton supporters and 15% of Trump supporters, with 8% of all voters saying they don't care at all. As for young people, only 3% deny its existence, which could explain one reason behind Donald Trump's lagging poll numbers with young people. For Clinton, her supporters seem to be in lockstep with their plans to address this issue. However, for Trump, half his supporters care at least somewhat about this issue, while Trump himself openly denies its existence.
We're in Miami Beach, a place you're familiar with,
right,
where the city has just spent millions of dollars to lift the roads and the sidewalks, to raise them because of the rising sea levels. You've called climate change a hoax. I'm wondering if you think, as a builder and someone who knows infrastructure, did Miami Beach waste its money?
No, I would say that it goes up, it goes down. I think it's very much like this over the years. We'll see what happens. I mean, we'll see what happens. Maybe you and I, even you, as young as you are, you won't be around to see. But certainly climate has changed, but they used to call it global warming. They've had many different, they call it extreme weather.
He goes as far to say on Twitter that it is a hoax invented by China, which he later said was a joke. Clinton's plan includes installing 500 million solar panels by the end of her first term, cutting energy waste and reducing global oil consumption by a third.
I'm just a grandmother with 2 eyes and a brain, and I know what's happening in the world is going to have a big effect on my daughter and especially on my granddaughter. It's hard to believe there are people running for president who still refuse to accept the settled science of climate change.
By contrast, Donald Trump's energy policy stresses the continued use of non-renewable energy sources, including coal and oil. Reporting for Wingspan TV, I'm Parker Butler.